How to authorize Revolut payment. Hi everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can authorize your Revolut payment. So the ways to authorize your Revolut payment is very simple. Make sure that your notifications are turned on, and also make sure that your application is up to date. In order to authorize your Revolut payment, you'll need to go ahead and open up a login into your Revolut account. Once you're logged into your account, it's going to take you or direct you to the home page, and on the other interface, what you'll have to do is you need to head over to your bell icon from the top right hand side corner of your home page, and then press the bell icon. As soon as you do that, it's going to take you to the notification page, and over there you'll be able to find a list of notifications stating that somebody has sent you money in order to accept it, or if somebody is authorizing your access. So if you tap the notification button or bell icon, you'll be able to find all sort of things, and in order to accept it, tap the accept button or just tap the authorize button, and that's basically how you can authorize Revolut payment. And sometimes you might also be able to see the information right in center of your home page, so from there as well you can go ahead and authorize your Revolut payment. So in this way you can authorize Revolut payment. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.